So to start with, we've washed the hair with Conscious Style shampoo and conditioner. It's great because the weightless formula means that you can use it every day, and our conditioner is a lovely lightweight detangler. So I'm using the Conscious Style styling putty, and this is a paste formula that when you break it down in your hand, turns into a lovely creamy consistency that's really easy to work through wet hair. As you can see, the styling putty has given us loads of thickness and this lovely matte texture. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to finish with the Moisture Repair Hydrating Oil and just put it through some of the ends that look like they need a little bit more moisture. And don't forget, you can use the styling putty on wet or dry hair. So you could use this just to finish the look on the ends, just add a little bit of extra texture.